In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate your Xfinity SIM card. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, where to go, and what to expect so you can get your phone up and running with no confusion. First, if you have a physical SIM card inserted into your phone, take your time here. Use the SIM tray tool that came with your device. Slide the tray out carefully, place the SIM so the notched corner lines up correctly, and slide the tray back in firmly. A quick visual check helps. If the tray sits flush and doesn't wobble, you're good. This simple step makes sure your phone can read the SIM once activation starts. Next, open the Xfinity app on your phone or go to xfinitymobile.com, activate on your computer. Both paths work the same way, so choose whichever is more convenient. If you're on a computer, keep your phone nearby. You might need to confirm a few things during the process. The app is often the fastest route because it can detect your device automatically and guide you through with tailored prompts. From here, follow the on-screen instructions to begin activation. The prompts will walk you through exactly what's needed, step by step. You may see checks for your device, your plan, and your SIM. Just read each screen, confirm the details, and continue. Most activations take only a few minutes. If you see a brief loading screen, let it finish. That's normal while the network updates. If you're using an eSIM on a compatible phone, like an iPhone 14 or 15, you don't need a physical card at all. Simply follow the prompts in the Xfinity app to activate instantly. The app will download the eSIM profile to your device and apply it automatically, so there's no tray to open, no parts to handle, and nothing to insert. It's fast, secure, and entirely digital. If you're transferring your number, make sure you have your account information ready before you start. During activation, you'll be asked to confirm details so your existing number can move over correctly. Having that information at your fingertips keeps everything smooth and avoids delays. And that's it. Once you've completed the prompts, your Xfinity SIM or eSIM should be activated and ready to use. Give your phone a moment to register on the network and you'll see your signal appear. You're now set to call, text, and use data on your new plan. Enjoy your service and thanks for watching.